Welcome to Derek's World of Motorcycling. Today I'm riding my 1974 Kawasaki H2 to KOTI Autotalli motorcycle shop in Chipping Camden, Oxfordshire. The H2 regularly attracts admirers who remember the bike from back in the day, including this guy who stopped for a closer look while I was setting up my Insta360 camera.
What a machine that is.
Thank you.
But yeah, at the time when this was around, this was one of my dream bikes at the time. I just saw you down there and I got 5 minutes to kill and I thought I must come and have a look at it. So yeah. We've got a good day for it, so enjoy.
Yeah, well, yeah. KOTI Autotalli was created in 2020. It's a motorcycle workshop, cafe and store, as well as a distributor of the Mutt brand of motorcycles. The name, KOTI Autotalli, comes from the Finnish language, translating to home garage in English.
No, there's 8, 9 of us just been out for the weekend. We're going Thursday. Northwest mainly. We tend to go away once or twice a year.
Okay.
So just try and not be this way. So got a reason to come.
Just UK then, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With these guys, yeah.
Oh right, okay. Cool. You planned anywhere? You just go.
It's all in there.
It's all in there. Right, okay, cool.
Yes, we've just been to Diddley Swap.
Oh, have you? Okay. Was it busy? I can imagine it's packed, yeah.
Well, the 80,000 bikers have descended on the Isle of Man and nothing is missing.
Well, I must admit I've heard of some theft, but it's when you get the TT and people go over.
Yeah,
to
to do,
what
yeah.
Last
I think last year, I think it was last year or the year before, 2 Ducatis went missing from Douglas. They were parked on the promenade and they just disappeared. I think that's somebody coming over on the ferry in a van, throwing them in and getting straight back on the airport and going. Met with another one. Thank you.
You know, it's the third one I've seen this morning.
Oh, is it?
There's a shop in Evesham, Tyrrell Chapman Racing, right? And they race TP, and he's got 3 of them.
Oh, is he?
3 sitting on their workbenches, all there, they're all being fixed up.
Yeah.
He's like proper. He's my 2-stroke go-to.
Yeah.
He's brilliant.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. He's
Okay,
really
so
good.
you've got a.
I've got an old RGV and an old T250 Suzuki. I'm a Suzuki person. I've got T125, T250, T350, and all the old ones, and I've got a later RGV. Yeah, look at the back plate on that. Polish. Yeah, you're going to bash one to that. Auto salt.
That's never seen any dirt, that has it? It appears that KOTI Autotalli is no more. This notice of possession, dated the 27th of September, was spotted at the entrance to the former premises. Although I liked the place, I did think it was a bit out of the way, stuck in the corner of some anonymous industrial estate. But it's always a shame when another of our gathering places bites the dust.